How to disable two-step verification on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable two-step verification on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then just click this one here, settings, and here you will find the account. And now all you need to do is just click two-step verification, and if you want to disable it, just click disable and click disable again, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.